How to fix you follow or unfollow too often on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. Today I'll let you guys know the ways to fix you follow or unfollow too often on TikTok. If you're having issues such as this, then what you need to do is, first of all, you could check for a VPN. If you've actually connected your device to a VPN, then you could try disabling it. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. If this isn't your case, then you could also go ahead and open up your application, and after which you want to go ahead and click the profile, and then you want to tap the tab bar icon and go to settings and privacy. Here, first of all, try cleaning your cache, so go to free up space and click on clear cache. Once you do it, so next thing what you want to do is scroll down a bit and click on report a problem. Then you want to submit a ticket, so for that you want to go ahead and click on account and profile. So here you want to go to the manage account, and then you want to go ahead and submit your information, or submit the request. And if this is not the case, you could also try updating your application and reinstalling it at the same time. This should be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix your follow or unfollow too often issue. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.